Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite if it's not in the Google Play Store for you on your Android phone. So this is very easy. Just go to your web browser and we can open this up. We can tap our web browser and then we can just go to google.com. So I got Samsung Internet right here. Otherwise, what I could do is just go to Google, search on my home screen here. So let's go to google.com. Or we can just go to Epic Games. Let's just go to epicgames.com. Press go. Epic Game. So I spelled that wrong. Games.com. And go. And it'll bring us directly to this page. Now we're looking for the download link for Fortnite. So you can see it just says install on the top. Install on Android, and we should be able to download this now. So it looks like you're going to have to accept all these permissions. So you can go to allow, download the file, and it should download, and then we can open up the file and we can update it. Now for some reason you can't open it up, I'll show you how to turn on those permissions. So we can open this up. And you can see it should start downloading, but I think it makes you sign in now with some sort of account. So if you're not able to open it up because of all these weird permissions, go to settings. Now on your Samsung phone, you want to go on down to where it says security and privacy. You want to turn off this auto blocker. Keep your phone safe by blocking threats, so you got to turn this off. Then we can go to more security settings. And we're looking for something called install unknown apps on our phone. And we want to turn on Chrome or whatever we're trying to download it from. So we got Epic Games on here. I'm going to turn that on. Galaxy Store if we're trying to download it through there. And whatever method. So My Files too. So if you forgot where you had it, you can go to My Files. And just type in Files and you can see Files on the top here. And then just go to, I clicked on the wrong one. Let's go to Files, My Files. Just go to your downloads. And you can see Epic Games in here. And you can open it up and update it through here. Then you should be able to play Fortnite on your Android phone if it's not in the store. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.